Hey everyone, this is Mr. Riley, and today is Wednesday, what I call West Coast Wednesday, borrowed from my friend Alvin Eddington. In any event, today I just simply want to do an unboxing of these hi-fi in-ear monitors. Stay tuned on this 9th day of Vlogmas! Let's go. Hey everyone, so finally I'm able to get back to the video. I actually started earlier this afternoon, but I had to prepare for Bible study and just family duties. But I'm happy to get back and finish this wonderful unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before, but let me tell you what I'm unboxing. Today I'm unboxing, let me see, there you go. Can you get it? Can you get it? Come on, M50, get it. There you go. These in-ear studio monitors. And so the other day, Friday, in fact, I was on a live show with Lemuel and DJ Strick. What up, fellas? Thanks again for hosting me Friday night, allowing me to share some thoughts about some of the videos that we saw. But anyway, I kind of stuck out like a sore thumb. I was looking at the replay the other day, and I had these headphones. And so, both of their headphones were looking nice. You can even tell that they had in-ear hi-fi monitors in their ears, and so it was just like, I need to step my game up. And so I post something on Monday, and so I ordered some, and they came in on Tuesday. That's right, Amazon Prime, and it was dope. And so we're going to do an unboxing of these hi-fi in-ear monitors, and so this is my first time doing an unboxing, so let's get to it. Alrighty, so I have my studio headphones here, fresh from Amazon Prime, and I have my letter opener, so let's go ahead and do this thing. Seems like fun. Nice packaging here, and Amazon, I ordered them on Monday and they came Tuesday. The ZSN Pro. Okay. Alrighty, so just put that nice packaging right there off to the side, and let's use our letter opener here. We need to, there we go. Hybrid technology earphone classic upgrade. So we're getting an upgrade. I didn't know there was an upgrade. Alrighty, so let's see what's in the box here. We have a plastic cover. Looks really nice and sturdy. Nice and sturdy plastic cover. And it comes with the monitors, and we'll just, looks like some styrofoam. So we'll kind of break the start. There we go. Just pull the backing off, and I'll just do this. Hey everyone, welcome back. So yeah, that was a quick unboxing of the ZSN Dynamic Pro IEM headphones. Man, that's a mouthful. My first pair. And so you know what I did after I did the unboxing? I just kind of researched to make sure that I had the right piece of the dynamic speakers, the IME part. Just wanted to make sure it was on the right cord, and so found a couple of reviews, and so I'm kind of excited. That's what they look like, the finished product right there. And so and I guess evidently these are some upgraded ones. There's another pair that's not a pro upgraded version, a basic version. And so I kind of looked up on these, about $30 on Amazon. And so now I can be one of the big boys. I can go and hang out with Lemuel and DJ Strict and Elicio Way. I can hang out if they'll have me again to come on there on the show again and just look at some more some vlog videos. So man, I've learned a lot, and actually end up watching a few more IEM in-ear monitor type of videos, and so it's definitely I'm gonna step my game up. So you won't be seeing me with these are over the ear headphones, but you will be seeing me with rocking these IEMs in-ear monitor earphones. And so I've at least kind of educated myself to know the difference. And from what some of the reviews were saying, they were saying that some of these IEMs are better because they're equipped for sound. They're better than some of the Skull Candies and the AirPods and the Beats by Dre. And so I'm just like, wow, I'm ready to test these out on the walk and just see what the sound quality is like. And so, man, definitely have opened my eyes to another kind of headphone or sound system for my ears. I love music, and so this will be a welcome addition to my sound club. I have my AirPods somewhere over here, so I'm anxious to kind of tell the difference between the AirPods and the IEMs. But in any event, that's it for today. I'm vlogging out. Do me a favor, tell me in the comments what kind of headphones or earbuds or IEMs that you use. Just write them down in the comments, and of course just go ahead and smash that like button if you found some value in this particular video. Man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and you guys have a wonderful evening, a day, afternoon, whenever you're watching. And thanks for visiting Mr. Riley over here in Mr. Riley's World. Peace out. Bye-bye.